Hello guys, welcome back. What I have for you today is No Key McGee, pinned up by Pick Me 1977. I have taken this off the back. It was holding the back in, but I couldn't get into the vise, otherwise it would have bent it all up. So hopefully if we do get it picked, it won't slide out on me and ruin the lock. I will be using a homemade top of the keyway tension bar, and I will be using a shark from the Sparrows kit. Even though it does look like a very wide open keyway, there's warding on this side and this side, so I will be trying to work off this side. Hopefully we can get it picked and gutted. Straight and looking for a binder. Click out with 3 there. Click out with 4. Click out with 5 there. Count rotation on 2. That was possibly 1. 2, touched on 2, got a deeper false set. Even deeper, touching again. The false set is really deep now. I'm not getting no, could be 3. Slipped off the warden there. And we do have an open. Make sure. Yeah. Just be careful not to push it out. I will be using a shim as it is a challenge lock. 1 second. Doesn't seem to want to go past a couple of them. Oh, nearly lost it. That should do it. See threading on 3, possibly 4 and 5, yeah. Doesn't look to be anything on 1 and 2. But we'll take a look. That's a very deep spool. Another deep spool. We'll take a look at the end. Serrated. Serrated. And another looks to be a spool. Very nice pin. Very nice T-pin, that looks like. And a brass spring. Steel spring. Sorry if I sound a bit stuffy, I'm full of it. It's a very nice sort of serrated T-pin with a very sharp spool at the bottom. With a small brass spring. again, sort of reduced in size, serrated, sorry about that. Another steel pin. All the springs do look to be different, possibly 1 and 3 that are the same. And again. Looks to be threading in chamber 3. 4 and 5, 1 and 2 look standard. This is a very deep spool, probably an overset trap with this T-pin. Very, very nice homemade pins these. Very nice serrations, very deep. I love this pin. Absolutely brilliant. Again, reduced diameter, like with this, but it doesn't have the spool on the bottom. Pin 5. Homemade serrated. Another lovely spooled key pin. Well, that was a really fun pick. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you again. Bye.